In this video, I will show you how to seamlessly integrate the analytical power of Claude with the organization of Notion to streamline your research workflow. If you are a student, a writer, or a professional researcher, you know how quickly raw data can become overwhelming. Fortunately, you can now automate the process of sorting through that clutter. To begin, open your Claude chat window and look for the plus icon located in the chat bar. Click on that icon to access your power-ups and ensure that the Notion integration is toggled on. This step is essential because it gives Claude permission to talk directly to your workspace. Once that is set up, you are ready to feed the system your raw information. You can paste your messy research notes, long paper abstracts, or even a list of links that you have been meaning to read. Now comes the most important part, which is the prompt itself. You should tell Claude to create a page in your specific research database, making sure to give it a clear title representing your topic. To make the output truly useful, instruct Claude to format the entry with specific headers. I recommend using categories like key hypotheses, supporting evidence, methodology, and citations. By doing this, Claude does not just dump text into a page, but actually categorizes the insights so you can find them later. When you hit enter, Claude will process the data and build a structured, professional page right inside your Notion workspace. This method saves you hours of manual copying and pasting while ensuring that your database remains consistent and easy to navigate. It turns a pile of chaotic notes into a functional library of knowledge in just a few seconds. I hope this helps you get more organized and efficient in your work. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more productivity tips and tricks.